Ni Malayaliano. Wake up, India. Where is our architecture disappearing? Why all our cities are looking the same? Glass boxes everywhere. What happened? Did we forget that India has one of the most climate intelligent architecture in the whole world? And I'm very proud to say that as an architect. Something that we are proud of, we are not even embracing it. What is this disrespect? India is not just one climate. We have deserts, coasts, mountains, plains, plateaus, everything. So our architecture is totally different in different regions. But what is happening in today's world is we are just copy pasting the Western architecture everywhere. Our most treasured possession, our regional architecture, our heritage, our roots, that we are keeping behind and not even looking at it. Look at our Hawa Mahal in Jaipur. Thousands of tiny windows, jalis, cooling through air movement, Bernoulli's principle and the Venturi effect. Whole microclimate of the place that they have created using water bodies in narrow courtyards. Just look at it. Pure architectural genius even at that time जब air conditioners का कोई अस्तित्व तक नहीं था. नहीं मलयालियानो. Sloping roofs, deep verandas, courtyards, designed perfectly for the heavy rains of Kerala and the humid climate. Well, this is climate responsive architecture. Let's go up north, Leh and Ladakh. Thick earthen walls, small windows, thermal mass to retain the heat. Literally perfect for extreme cold climates. And in that time when ChatGPT didn't exist. Wake up, India. From Bangalore to Hyderabad to Gurgaon, everywhere. Same designs, same facade, different climates, same glass towers. Why? Are we so blind we forgot the Indian climate, the context that you're building in? Glass buildings increase solar heat gain. So more heat, more HVAC, more electricity consumption and more heating up your city. More urban heat island, more global warming. Don't just think about the cost of construction today. Think about the cost of construction overall. After 20 years, just not mean the monetary cost. It also means the cost of our futures, the cost of our resources, the cost of breathing the HVAC air. You know, in air conditioned buildings, it's the same air which is getting circulated, the split AC that you have, the window AC that you have. The air is not getting exchanged from outside to inside. Outside air stays outside and inside air stays inside. They are just connected by a copper wire in which the refrigerant runs, which cools your air. It's just cooling the air. It's not adding oxygen to it. Imagine the whole building blocked with glass. No ventilation, no nothing in that. So imagine that building in next 20 years. The same air being circulated in rotation, just getting cooler, just getting ambient temperature so that the person inside feels comfortable enough. That's it. Wake up, India. Our ancestors designed buildings using the sun, wind, materials, and climate in their mind. Today, we are ignoring centuries of architectural wisdom and intelligence. And this does not mean stop modern architecture fully. Just means using our ancestral wisdom, our ancestral knowledge, and combining it with the modern technology. Imagine how far can we take our India. So it's time to wake up.